Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. It is Saturday today and we are currently getting ready for a beach day. We are going to celebrate one of my close friends' kiddo's birthday and I am so excited to go to the beach. I haven't been to the beach all summer, so I'm very excited to go swimming and also take the kiddies. I'm looking forward to having a very nice day and I thought I would vlog today, so come along with us. Let's go. This is everything we will be taking with us for today's beach day. I am so excited.
Everyone's chasing the bird.
Yeah.
Rockin' Heart FM, it's your setting of mix, and if you love the mix as much as I do.
Do you like the sound, baby?